Headline: Death Perspective. We Gary report. Now, in the days leading up to Christmas, a short message shared online by Nairobi-based cleric Sheikh Said Bafana quietly entered Kenya's social media space.
Tukae mbali na sherehe za hawa watu. Sio kama ni maneno yangu mimi. Wewe leo unamwambia mtu Merry Christmas, unajua madhara yake ndugu yangu.
Within hours, it was no longer just a religious reminder. It had become a national conversation. In the video, Sheikh Bafana is seen advising Muslims not to take part in Christmas celebrations, explaining that the holiday is rooted in Christian religious traditions and should not be observed by followers of Islam. His words were quickly reposted across platforms, reaching audiences far beyond his immediate community. For some viewers, the message felt familiar. Supporters said the Sheikh was simply expressing long-standing Islamic teachings about maintaining religious boundaries. Many pointed out that the religious leaders often guide their followers on what practices align with their faith, especially during major religious seasons. To them, the post was not unusual. It was a continuation of religious instruction in a digital space. But for others, the message landed differently. Critics on social media argued that the tone appeared dismissive towards people who celebrated Christmas. Some worried that such language, when shared publicly, could affect how different faith communities relate to one another. In a country where Christians and Muslims live side by side, they said, public messages from influential figures carry the weight.
Katika muumini kutaka kujua wewe ni katika waumini wa kweli ni wale ambao hawasherehekei sherehe za sikukuu za makafiri. Kwa hivyo wewe Muislamu katika siku kama hii haufai kabisa kushiriki katika njia moja au nyingine.
As the discussion grew, the focus began to shift. What started as a religious statement turned into a wider debate about faith, identity, and the power of social media. Users' questions where private belief ends and public responsibility begins. Others pointed out that platforms designed to connect people can also amplify disagreement. Kenya's religious diversity has long been part of its national fabric, and every year, festive seasons bring both celebration and reflection. For now, Sheikh Bafana has not publicly responded to the debate, but his message and reaction to it has revealed something deeper. How a single post shared in seconds can spark a national-wide conversation about belief, respect, and coexistence. Brian Ouma, Gary reports.